Here I will create front elevation of 4th story building. This is the first floor plan and ground floor plan which I have already created before. Its detailed staircase calculation. Also, I have created all the details are given in the description box. Hello and welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. I am Swati. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will be the first to know when I upload something new. Also, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for latest updates. Now, let's get started. So, here, first I'll take construction line, Excel, enter, and horizontal line for that, H, enter, and click here. This is the ground level. Ground level to plinth level height, I'll take. Give offset distance 1 feet. Ground level to plinth level here. In ground floor, it is parking area. So, ground level to plinth level height, I will not take more than 1 feet. So, select, click on upward direction. So, GL to PL height 1 feet. So, first ground floor front elevation I'll create. Again, construction line, take vertical line. Now, reference project line I will take from here. Projection line. So, we can see this columns first. This column first. This column you can see. Then this column and this column. Because there is no wall here. So, we can see these 3 columns and the staircase here we can see in ground floor. So, first give offset distance 6 inch, plinth projection to both sides 6 inch, click to both sides. Now, I'll trim all the extra lines. So, first offset distance 2 feet. This is for equal dimension I'm taking. You can keep 1 feet as well. I'm taking 2 feet. Now, trim all the extra lines. Select all lines here and trim this line, trim this line, trim here, trim here. We have trimmed now this line and this line. Again, these 2 lines. And see, we have to trim here also. So, trim this. Also, trim these 2 lines. And delete these 2 lines and this one and this one. So, this distance I have taken 2 feet. Okay. So, this is ground level and plinth level. We have created plinth projection. We have given 6 inch. Now, trim all these extra lines. Okay. Now, from plinth level to roof slab, we will take 10 feet. So, offset distance 10 feet. Click here. Now, roof slab thickness, we will take 3 inch. Roof slab thickness will take 5 inch. Select 5 inch downward direction. So, roof slab thickness 5 inch. Now, trim all the extra lines here. Select these 2 lines and trim this side and this side. Also, we have to see, I will check the dimension. Here to here, this is 9 feet 7 inch and here to here, this is building height or roof slab height, that is 10 feet. 10 feet building height or slab height also you can say. Now, trim all extra lines. Trim all these extra lines. Now, I'll fillet this. Fillet, click here. Fillet, click here. Okay. So, step by step, I'm showing you how to create. So, this is, we have created roof slab, this columns. Now, here, slope will be there. So, here we can see the lines. So, give offset distance 6 inch. Select, click to this side. Select, click to this side. Now, extend, we have to extend, EX, enter. Select this line. Extend this line, extend this line. Now, give trim command, TR, enter. Select this line, trim these 2 lines. We have done. This is the slope we can see in front elevation like this. So, just 1 feet Distance is there, 1 foot height, slope. Okay. Now we can see here, this is the parking area. Here nothing is there. We can see the staircase front elevation here. So this side we can see both treads and riser. Okay. We can see side view of the staircase. So first what we need to see, we have to give offset distance 7 feet. This is lintel level, lintel level 7 feet, offset 3 inch, lintel slab thickness. Now here, this side we can see this chhajja projection. So for that, Excel, enter vertical line, chhajja projection we can see in front elevation. Now we have to extend, EX, enter, select this line, extend these 2 lines. Now trim, give trim command, select this and trim both the lines. Also we have to trim this slab because here we no need to create any window. There is no window door, so lintel level is not required. We will not show the lintel level. So lintel level is no more required. So we will trim this. Select this line and trim from here. Okay. So one side chhajja we will show. Now the staircase elevation we will create. So for that, this is the staircase. All detailed staircase I have already provided before. This is the staircase. Look, staircase area 8 feet 6 inch into 8 feet 10 inch, building height 10 feet, landing 3 feet, desired rise 6 inch, tread 10 inch, total number of rise 20 numbers. I have calculated there. Total number of treads 19 numbers, width of flight 3 feet. Only this we have to change. I have changed 3 feet 1 inch instead of 3 feet. It is 3 feet 1 inch. There is no change in calculation for this width of one flight. Okay. Now total tread in first flight 70 inch. Number of treads in first flight 7 numbers. Number of treads in 2 parallel flights 14 numbers. Number of treads in intermediate flight 5 numbers. Okay. So here for number of treads in intermediate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including the landing also calculated in treads. Okay, landing also comes in treads. So according to that calculation, we will create the elevation here. Okay, that calculation I have provided in previous video and the link is given in the description box. Now I'll extend all these tread lines, these step lines. These are the treads. Okay. Now I will create here. So make stair steps layer as current layer. Now take polyline. So I'll start from here. Riser height 6 inch, tread 10 inch. Okay, I'll start from here. Click here. 6 inch, 10 inch, 6 inch, 10 inch. Like that we have to continue till the first landing 6, 10, 6th, 6 inch, 10 inch, 6 inch, 10 inch, 6 inch, 10 inch, 6 inch, 10 inch, 6 inch, and this is the landing, first landing. Click here. Now trim this extra line. Now here we need to break this, break and extend this line. Select this line and extend. Okay, see, we have created it correctly. The intersection point is coming correctly. You can see here 1, 2, 3. Now 3 steps means 4 riser we can see. So give offset is a 6 inch only riser we can see from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 riser we can see. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to trim this from here. Select and trim these lines from here, because these lines we have taken just for reference. Now we will draw a line here to here, and we have to mirror this. Select mirror. This is the midpoint, and mirror this. Enter. Okay. So look, it is connected with the roof slab. The step is last riser is connected with the roof slab. Now extend this column line and trim this slab. Due to the staircase, there will be no roof slab. There will be no roof slab. Okay. Now here column is coming in front of this, so we cannot see this much length. Here to here, this much width we cannot see. See, these steps will be there, but we cannot see in front elevation because column is coming in front of us. So simply we will give a offset here, and we need to break this. Or simply you can trim this also. I will break here. You can simply trim this by giving this. You can trim, break. I'm using break command. You can use break command. You can use trim command. As per which is easy for you, you can use that. Now I'll join these lines. Okay. Join. Why I'm doing this? Because we have to change this continuous lines into dotted lines. Now change the stair steps. Now this is select, make it to dashed line, dash, right click. Go to layer. Now stair steps. Here we cannot change because if you change, all the staircase will be dashed lines. So only we have to change that much. Only we'll change the thickness of line. Will make 0.30. Stair step 0.30. Click on OK. And if you want to change the color also, you can change the color. See here, click, and you can change the color as well. Your requirement, which color you want to change, you can change the color as well. Your requirement. Okay. I have selected this. If you don't, this color is looking little dark, so we will change this. You can change here as well. So I'll change this to this color. Now click on OK. See, we have done. Now I'll go to right click properties. Line type I'll make 4. Now select, do maths properties, enter, and select all these lines. So we have created, this is dashed line. That means these steps are there, these lines will be there. Okay, but due to the column, as the column is coming in front of us, we cannot see those lines. Column will be in front of us. Okay, hope you understand what I want to say. So you can change this to 5. Okay. Now do math properties. All right. Now this line we'll change this. This is not staircase line, so we'll do math properties. This is okay. All right. So now this is the staircase. From here we can see the landing parapet wall. We reached here in the landing, so here will be the parapet wall. So parapet wall height will be 2 feet 6 inch. Make wall layer as current layer. The construction line. Now vertical line. So from here we have to trim this steps until here. Now what we need to do, we need to trim this, select this line, now trim from this side and from this side. Okay. Then we have to create the parapet wall here. Make parapet wall layer as current layer. Here we reach in the first landing. Okay. So the first landing there will be parapet wall, this side and this side as well. So we can see this side parapet wall from front elevation. Take construction line, vertical line, parapet wall will be here to here, here to here, this line, this already this line is there, so no need to draw another line. Simply we will create the parapet wall. So for that, take line command here to this point to this point. Now give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select, click on upward direction. Now top of parapet wall, this thickness is 2 inch. Okay. Now extend this line, select, extend. Okay. Now I'll hatch this parapet wall. So for that, take a rectangle. I'll create one rectangle. This point to this corner point to this corner point, and simply move this and hatch this. H enter. You can directly hatch this. You can use gradient command, but what I usually do, create one for separate file. Create your hatch or your window, door, all formats. Do mass properties and select. See. So in this process, no need to every time no need to create. Or what you can do from this format, you can simply copy and go to copy. Go to that file in which file you are working. Simply paste it here, and you can simply copy and paste your window format, your this parapet wall like this, paste it here. So in this way, in less time, you can create your elevation or your plan, whatever you want to create. So this is the glass parapet wall. Okay. So this is transparent. Due to that, it is transparent. This is how to create this. I have shown in my previous video, and its link is given in the description box. Now draw a line from here to here. This is railing 2 feet. Now give offset distance 0.5. Give offset to both sides, this side and to this side. Now delete the middle line. Select the middle line and delete. Now I'll copy this. Copy from this corner point. We have to paste. Make ortho off and paste in each point. Again, here we have to select, copy from this side and paste. Paste. And this is the last. Okay. Now take line command. We have to take line command. This line, end point of this line to end point of this line. Okay. End point of first line to end point of this side first line. So here also end point of first line to end point of this first line. Okay. Now give offset again. Offset distance 3 inch. Select. Click here, downward direction, select, click on downward direction. Now, we have to give offset here also. Give offset distance 3 inch. This side railing also will be there. So, select, draw order, bring, send to back, that so that you can select this line. Give offset distance 3 inch, select, click on this side. Now, extend this line, and here we can use fillet command. Okay, you can use fillet command or you can use extend command also. So I'll do fillet 4 inch radius. Select this line and this line, click. Again select this line and click on this line. See, this is the way you have to create the railing. Select this line, click on this line, select this line and click on this side. Okay. You can take the radius 5 inch as well. Now draw this line. Or vertical line you can take and simply select this line and select this line and trim. Trim from here and trim from here. Okay. Alright, we have done this. Now we need to extend this line also. Select and extend. Okay. This is the railing of the staircase. Now we have to trim all these extra lines from here. Now here we have to extend. See, it is connected with the column. This railing is connected with the column. So we have to extend this. Extend this. Okay. We have done, and we have to trim this also. These two lines. And this side also we have to trim all these extra lines. I'm showing everything step by step so that it will be easy to understand. So here, this we will finish in first floor. This is the ground floor and this is the staircase from ground floor to first floor. This is the ground floor plan. Now this is first floor. So for that, what we'll create? We'll create the first floor elevation in this side. So simply we'll copy this, copy, and from here we will copy, and here we'll paste here. This is the reference point we'll take and simply click here. Okay. Now, in first floor, what we can see this column, thickness of this column, this door, window, and parapet wall of this entrance balcony. This is the entrance balcony. So here will be the parapet wall. So parapet wall of this entrance balcony we can see. This staircase, parapet wall of this landing also we can see. We can see this door, this window, and these three columns like ground floor elevation we have created. So same, this elevation will be same. So simply we will select and copy. Select, copy. This is the base point and paste it here. Okay. Now we will create the extra features which are coming in first floor. So in first floor, this entrance balcony parapet wall we can see here. First we will create the door and window. This chhaja also, this side in ground floor, only one side chhaja we can see, but in first floor we can see both sides chhaja because both side windows are there. So take horizontal construction line here and here. Now trim, select this line and trim from here. Also trim all these extra lines. Again trim. Here this is the chhaja. Now this is the chhaja. See, we can see from here both side in front, first floor front elevation we can see both side chhaja. Ground floor only one side window was there, but in first floor both side windows are there. So both side chhaja projection we can see. Now this door. For this door, take construction line, vertical line. This side click here and this side click here. And here this window also we need to take the projection line of this window. Click here for this window and this side also. Staircase elevation we have already created and it will be same. So we have to trim this. For the take horizontal line for this lintel level from because from lintel level we can create the door and window. Now we have to take rectangle, REC, enter. First we have to check the dimension. So for that, here to here, this is 3 feet 6 inch and height is 7 feet. And this is 5 feet, height is 4 feet 6 inch. This door height is same as lintel height. So dimension, go to dimension, right click, 3 feet 6 inch length, enter, height 7 feet, enter. Door height is same as lintel height and click. So this is the door we have created. See, 3 feet 6 inch. Length, height 7 feet. Now we have to trim this from this base point, this base. Now this is the door. Okay, now we have to create the window. Delete these two lines. Simply what we can do, we have created this door. So you can create different doors and simply see this is also 3 feet 6 inch. So we will simply copy and paste that like this. Simply copy and paste. So and paste here. So what will happen when you will create like this, in very less time you can create your front elevation. It will take very less time. This is the, or if you want to create, so what we will do, you offset distance 3 inch. Click inside. Now draw a circle in base point. Here, give radius. You have to give radius 9 inch. Enter. Again, you can give 10 inch as well. I am taking 9 inch. Again, one more circle. You will take 5 inch. Okay. We have created. Now take line command. Go to grid setting, objects. Now this is the tangent. Check on this. Take line command. First point here and second point. See, the tangent option is coming here. Again, click here and this tangent option is coming. Click here. This is one type of door. Okay. This is one type of design, one kind of design. If you want to make the same design I have created before, just opposite way, this is the tangent. Click here. Okay, so better you create these formats and keep in one file. When you are creating the front elevation, simply you copy and paste. Now I need to hatch this. See, so many things you have to do. You have to create, you have to hatch. So better to create and copy and paste. It will take very less time to create your plans and elevations. So this is the door. So make door layer as change this to door layer. Change this layer as door layer. Now select and change the color. Hatch color I'll change. Select and do match properties. Okay, we have done. See, so many things we have to do. So it's better to create a format and while working, you copy and paste. It will take very less time. Okay. So now this window here to here, this is 5 feet length and height 4 feet 6 inch. You can take height 5 feet as well, but here it is 4 feet 6 inch. Make window layer as current layer. Take rectangle. First point, right click, go to dimension. I am creating. But I'll suggest you to create, copy and paste. Simply create formats and copy and paste. I'll show you how to create here again. And height 4 feet 6 inch. Enter. Okay. Now give offset. See, it's taking so much of time. Offset distance 3 inch. Click internal side. Again offset distance 1 inch. From this to outer side. Okay. Now draw a line on midpoint. Here, midpoint to midpoint of this second line. Now give offset distance 1 inch to both sides. Now trim all the extra lines. See here, which line is to trim. Trim this line, and this line. See, again same we have to do. Trim this and this. Okay. All right. Now I'll hatch this. Hatch. Click here and click here. Do solid hatch. Simply I'll do match properties from here. Select. This is glass window. Do mass properties, and the glass symbol I will copy. These are the glass symbols. Simply I will copy, select together, I'll copy and paste. This is the base point. Here I'll take the base point and paste it here. Okay, the window is created. If you have enough time, if you are practicing now, you are beginner, I'll suggest you practice, you create. But while working, you use this method. Just create, keep in a folder. While working, you just simply copy and paste. It will take very less time to create your plans, elevation sections, whatever you are creating. Okay. All right. Now this is now we have to create this parapet wall of this balcony, entrance balcony here. Make the parapet wall layer as current layer. So parapet wall height is 2 feet and 6 inches. So give vertical line, construction line here to here. Parapet wall will be here to this column to this column, and this side also will be there. But in front elevation we can see here to here. Okay. Now give offset. Okay. Give offset. Column is there, so that construction line is no longer required. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inches. Select this line and click on upward direction. Now top portion of the parapet wall is 2 inch. First we have to trim these extra lines. This side also, this side, and offset distance 2 inch. Select and click on upward direction. Okay. Now I'll hatch this. This is also glass parapet wall here. So as this is glass parapet wall, we can see this much distance. Otherwise, we have to trim this, because as the parapet wall is coming in front of us, we cannot see that much height features. Okay. So this is the glass parapet wall. See, it's very easy. Simply copy, do mass properties. It will make your work easier. Okay. So due to the parapet wall, glass parapet wall, delete this. Glass parapet wall, we can see what is coming in front of the parapet wall. So parapet wall is coming in front of us. So you can change this hatch also. You can keep gradient. You can, if you want to keep any other hatch, you can do that also. Now I will make this railing. Give offset distance 3 inch. Select, click on the downward direction. Now trim extra lines. Okay. Now offset. Fillet this and trim. We have to trim extra lines. Trim this, and here also we have to trim. See the railing offset I have taken 0. You can also take 1 inch radius, 2 inch radius. Okay, it depends. Okay. Now we have created the railing. We have to trim this extra line also here. Okay. Now the railing is created. Here also little extra lines which we have to trim. Trim and trim this. Okay. So this is the first floor front elevation we have created. Okay. Ground floor front elevation we have created, and first floor front elevation also we have created. Now the first floor is same as other 3 floors. This is 4-story house. So other 4 stories are also same as first floor. And see, this is the door we have created. This is the window and parapet wall. Due to this glass parapet wall, we can see this window and door, this height. Okay. This much level we can see, and bring to front. All right. Now, other 3 floors we have to create. So for that, simply we have to copy and paste So this is ground floor and first floor. Now second, third and fourth floor we have to create. So for that, select the first floor and copy. This is the base point here and paste it here. Click here. Click here. And we have created fourth floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. Okay. We have created. So here we need to trim these extra lines. Trim from here. Select, but here we have to trim. Okay. Same. We have to do here also. See, you have to do this with properly. You have to do, because when you will convert this AutoCAD file into Revit, you cannot create the 3D view properly. So you have to create properly, and everything you have to create as per layer. Okay, here the parapet wall, whole parapet wall will be there in last terrace. Okay, the terrace parapet wall will be here, and here this side after the staircase, the headroom. This is not headroom, only the roof slab will be there. Okay, so give offset distance 8 feet from this roof slab. Click here. Now take construction line, horizontal construction line. Click here and extend this line. Select this line and extend this line. Now give offset distance 5 inch. Roof slab thickness 5 inch. Roof slab thickness to upper direction. Now extend, select and extend this column. Okay. So give 1 foot, extend this side and offset this side. Sorry, both sides you have to give offset of 1 foot. Now fillet this side and fillet this side. Also here we have to extend this line and trim all these extra lines. Trim this line, trim this line, trim this and this also. This also. So this is the roof slab, top roof slab. Okay. And here also we have to trim this. Okay. Now here will be the parapet wall. Last terrace parapet wall will be there. So parapet wall is 2 feet and 6 inch. Give offset. Offset distance 2 feet 6 inch. Select this line, click on upper direction and top portion of the parapet wall 2 inch. Select, click on upper direction. Now extend this line and this side we have to trim from here. Delete these 2 lines. Here the last parapet wall we will keep. We will not make it glass parapet wall. So we'll simply this railing we will copy from here. This is the base point. We will copy and paste it here. See? Now trim this extra lines. Okay. Now this is the parapet wall. We will hatch this parapet wall now. See, here also I have created the hatching formats. Okay. So hatch. You can select the hatch also format. See, I'll show you. Select the format here and select this. Now angle I'll take 45 degree and this scale I'll take. Scale I will take 30 and angle I'll take 45. See? So it became straight lines. You can change the scale also, and color also you can change here. I'll make it white, and see, you can change this like this also. You can keep like this also, but I like this one. This, it will match to the railing, staircase railing, this parapet wall. I'll change the scale, reduce the scale to 20. Okay, so the terrace parapet wall railing, I have provided railing on parapet wall of the terrace. Okay, and delete this. And this also we have to extend this line. Okay. This is open. There will be no wall and all. Now, staircase slab we have to provide here. Give offset of 4 inch, and this side also give offset of 4 inch. Draw a line here first and give offset of 4 inch. Sorry, not 4 feet. Give offset of 4 inch. Select, click here. Now I'll do fillet. Fillet, click here to here and delete. Trim this line. Delete this line. Also delete this line, and here also we have to trim this line. Okay. Now simply copy this to all staircase. Copy. So we have to take this side also we will create, and together we will copy. So this point to this point. Now give offset of 4 inch. Select, click here and fillet this. Click here to click here and delete this line. Okay. We have created this, and we have to trim this extra line also. Trim this. Okay. Now we will copy and paste in each slide. Copy. Change the layer to slab layer by layer and copy this. This is staircase slab, so copy. This is the base point. And paste it in all floors. Paste it here. Again, paste it here, and again, paste it here. So we have done. Created this. Okay. Extend this line. Here also again we have to extend this line, this slab line, and here also select and extend this slab line. Okay. Now we have created our front elevation, 4th story house front elevation. You can change the color if you want to change. Now it's looking better. So this is the way you can create the front elevation. Okay. So here I have created the front elevation with step-by-step process. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor. This ground, how to create this ground floor and first floor already I have created, and its link is given in the description box. Copy this text. This is ground level GL. And copy this. paste it here. This is plinth level PL. And this is front elevation. You can change the height here to fit and move this. Make ortho off. Paste it here. Or what you can do, you can simply copy, rename it as front elevation and do mass properties from here, or simply copy this first floor plan and rename it to front elevation. Okay. This is the front elevation. So I hope you found this video helpful, like how to create this front elevation. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and leave valuable comments. Thank you for watching the video.